Today we're going to show you a quick, easy way to do beach waves. Like if my girls are going to school or something super fast, they always wash their hair the night before. Because if they don't, then we have to dry it in the morning. It takes 5 more hours and they want to sleep as much as possible. So what I usually do is fill my brush and put it in my room, so we're gonna find one real fast. I am starving because it took 5 hours to set up this YouTube tutorial and we couldn't find anything, but now I found my brush because it was in their room. So first, when they wake up in the morning, I always have them brush their hair, and sometimes there's like kinks in it or something, but it's okay because we're just going to go over it. But what we're going to do, hold that please, is we're going to take Biolage Thermal Active Spray, and I'll link it down below. It's like a heat activating spray and it helps the waves curl. So I'm not going to do anything crazy, but a lot of people are like, why can I not get my hair to not kink? And just want to make sure that you can see where this is going to kink. So you want to hold it up like so that piece does not kink. Like don't make sure that that is not touching right there. And I'm just gonna work my way down, but I'm not doing anything crazy, and I'm not taking like super small pieces or anything. I just wanna make sure that I'm holding it up so it doesn't kink. And I'm just taking, as you can see, I'm not taking the smallest pieces ever. Turn. But I'm taking about, I don't wanna do too small or then like I don't want it to look so curled that it looks like we tried too hard. I just want to go fast, and I'm going to make sure those pieces are sprayed because it helps the curl hold so much.
Give a tag on your shirt.
And I'm just starting from the top and holding it for like 3 seconds and working my way down. And then when I go under, I'm also going to make sure that I'm not really going all the way to the root. Isn't that so cute? We're going to get a little closer on this side. And same thing, turn it a little this way. No. I'm going to just make sure I don't want to kink that first section. If I'm holding it more down, that piece is going to kink right there. So I'm just holding it like right there. And then I'm just working my way back. I'm not quite sure why Cody's barking, but maybe there's a boogeyman here. When I get back to that back section, same thing, just keep her turning. But it literally shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. Like, just making sure you're clamping down. And sometimes I think when it gets too hot, it makes the hair fuzzy. So this wave iron that I'll link below, I feel like it doesn't get too hot. Okay, Cody, you want to get some waves? Cody, do you want to get some waves, Cody?
Get some waves.
Cody feels left out sometimes because his hair's already wavy, so
it's already natural.
So
his mom can't do it.
So I kind of just re-go over some of the waves, and now you're gonna let it just kind of sit. And then I'm going to take our favorite spray, Mill Bomb, and just kind of spray the waves. But I want it to look like we slept in, I want it to look like we kind of slept in the braids or something, but sometimes I forget to have them sleep in braids, and people are like, why don't you just have them sleep in braids? They're too young to have heat on their hair. But the thing is that sometimes we forget, so this takes 2 seconds. Okay, so now, oh gosh, this is a joke. Now we're just gonna barely take a wide tooth comb and kind of comb it. And there you have your beachy wave tutorial. And also what you can do is, like if you wanted, you could take this section here. If you wanted to just do this half up right here, you could. It'd be kind of cute. Like even if you were gonna do like the next day hair, you could do a little half up little thing. That's cute. If you want it to be, I feel like that's so cute. That's another option you could do. Or if you wanted also, you could take this hair and you could kind of wrap it around. So you're actually like tying a knot in it. And you could just like this, just bobby pin that piece and then wrap this around. And then like a little top knot. A little top knot.
A little top knot.
Can you see it good?
Yeah.
I feel like that's so cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just if you want something different. So there's 3 easy, fast ways to do just fun hairstyles while you're quarantined, while you're going to school, while you're in summertime, beachy hair. So thanks so much for watching. See you next time.